然空振り
I'm classy, but I don't mind if you get at me. It's okay to get nasty, just the way that you like.
Dogs riding cats! That's the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life!
I'm a tiger, not a cat.
I came here only because you promised me a delicious dessert.
Well, yeah, I was referring to myself.
Ew, no.
Me, I like it rough and harder than a diamond. He can hit the blunt while he's breaking in the hymen. I can make him do what I say like Simon. So soft, but he's built like a lineman.
Bingo, bingo, baby, I love you like that crazy. I want you again. Bingo, bingo, baby, I love you like that crazy. I want you again. This silly kitty should be. Come, come, kitty, kitty, you're so pretty, pretty. Don't go, kitty, kitty, stay away.
The very first time there I see someone with the same pains as me. Having done this time and time again, she wore a yellow cardigan. I just wanna stop the scars that grow every time that I go home. That's why I came up here instead. That's what the girl in the cardigan said. Whoa, wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way, but in the moment I just screamed something that I did not believe. Hey, don't do it, please. What to do? I can't stop this girl, oh this is new. For once I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. But even so, please just go away so I can't see your pitiful expression. It's just too much for me. I guess today's just not my day. She looked away from me and then she disappeared. There's no one here today, I guess it's time. It's just me, myself, and I. There's no one who can interfere, no one to get in my way here. Taking off my yellow cardigan, watching my braids all come undone. This petite girl, short as can be, is gonna jump now and be free.
You better lock your phone. I'm looking in the window. Won't take a lot to get you going.
So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy to get me a lover and tell you about it.
Why did you save me?
Why? Why else?
I was born hungry. What do I need?
Big and small and big and small and big and small again, and still nobody wants me. Still nobody wants me.
As if it wasn't much more than just a figment of his imagination, but for days it was persistent and it went.